Okay, I'm going to review the starter connector set by R.Y. Gardner. Here's the box. I ordered a hose a while back from them, and it worked great, and I was excited to see this set of quick start connectors. They offer 100% customer satisfaction, and it comes with a spray nozzle, hose splitter, excuse me, water adapter, washers. As you can see, it comes with plenty of stuff. They have the shut-off valves on them. They are easy to attach. They attach to the hose and the spigot real easy. Here's what this looks like. I tested some of them with some other washers I already had, and none of them leaked. They all seem to work really good. They're quality made. They're not cheap feeling and stuff like some, but they work really well. As you can see in the picture, here's a better glance at what they look like. They got male and female adapters. So basically everything you need. So this is a great set. Once again, happy with R.Y. Gardner. They seem to make quality products. And that's it.